Hello and welcome back to Dukascopy TV. Here's a roundup of today's biggest headlines. Now, with the jobless rate at a record high and non-existent growth in the euro area, the ECB certainly has their work cut out for 2013. Reuters ran with a special report today on how Mario Draghi is reshaping the way the European Central Bank operates, not only in terms of policies, but the chairman's attempt to encourage a more proactive central bank with a mission to save the euro and a focus on fiscal consolidation strategies. Taking a look at trade data released today, German industrial output rose less than expected in November due to a sharp fall in energy and consumer goods production. And the UK's trade deficit narrowed to £3.5 billion in November as exports rose more than imports, increasing the probability that the UK economy is likely to have contracted in the last quarter of 2012. As expected, the Bank of Thailand kept its benchmark interest rate unchanged at 2.75% today for the second straight month. The central bank cited signs of an improving outlook for exports and strengthening domestic demand as reasons behind the decision, and stated that Thailand's growth forecast will be revised upward after a better than expected expansion in Q4. In the technology world, Apple remains in focus as the company now faces greater pressure to make the iPhone more affordable. According to the Wall Street Journal, Apple is working on a cheaper, lower-end iPhone to combat the fall in market shares due to lower-cost rivals such as Google's Android operating system. According to people briefed on the matter, the lower-priced iPhone could be launched as soon as later this year. However, the company's executives fear it may crimp the company's profit margins. Also out at the beginning of the week, an interesting report by Eurasia Group, a leading global political risk research and consulting firm, which lists the top 10 risks for 2013. The report identifies the upcoming year's key geopolitical area global investors and market participants should watch out for. That's all for the moment. We've got a lot of Chinese data on the economic calendar tomorrow, so we'll be bringing you all the latest on that and all the other biggest headlines for the day. But for the moment, viewers, goodbye.